If you want to connect GOG to your gaming accounts in GOG Galaxy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to link your accounts so you can bring everything together in one place and unlock the full features both platforms offer. This process is simple, fast, and completely safe when you sign in through the official connection window. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, click Add Games and Friends, then choose Connect Gaming Accounts. You'll now see a list of supported platforms. Find the service you want to connect, such as Steam, Epic Games, or another supported account, and click Connect next to it. After that, a sign-in window will appear. Log into your account and allow access when prompted. This is a normal and secure step, and it's needed so GOG Galaxy can sync your library and connected features properly. Once connected, your accounts will be linked, and you can start using the combined features right away. And that's it. Your GOG account is now connected in GOG Galaxy. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.